world. Super Al. We're at the Vientiane train station. I'm about to take the express train here to Luang Prabang, the historic city of Laos. I'm about to take this train at 7:45 this morning. I got about a 2-hour ride. I'm gonna go check out this city. I'll take you guys along. You can see train station here is modern. Seems like they just built this place not too long ago. The trains are out there. There's a few restaurants, cafes. The only American place I've seen since I've been here is Dairy Queen. It's a pretty nice station. The only problem I have with it is that they put it pretty far out from the center part of the city. You'd think they would have built it closer for the people, but you got it's kind of a ride to get to this station. Nonetheless, I made it. These people all made it. Doesn't seem to be that big of a deal. Pretty nice station. So with that, and we're heading out here in about 45 minutes, and take you for an adventure to Luang Prabang. Stay tuned. Let's get on the train here, guys. Everyone's coming out to load onto the train. Get to Luang Prabang. About a 2-hour ride. Maybe I'll film some of it. Check out how this train looks. See here. Stop this film. Continue on. Look at the room here. Ladies and gentlemen, we're leaving the station here on our way to Luang Prabang. We're on the China-Laos high-speed railway. I understand China built this railway for Laos and it helped improve their infrastructure. We'll see how this ride goes. Stay tuned. We'll be in Vientiane. Ride. It's supposed to be really beautiful in this area. Everybody at work recommended going to here. The ones that have been to this country, from this country. We're gonna go check it out. Taking you along. I don't know how fast this train goes. It's high speed. It's going about 100 and something miles an hour.
delaying your trip.
Luang Prabang Station.
Thank you for your cooperation. We are now arriving at Luang Station.
ที่อยู่ข้างหน้าของตู้รถไฟตามทิศที่กำลังมุ่งหน้าไปเพื่อเกี่ยวลงรถส่วนประตูด้านหลังของตู้รถไฟเน้นใส่สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นรถเนื่องจากการจอดรถอยู่สถานีมีเวลาที่สั้นท่านยังบ่ฮอดสถานีเป้าหมายของท่านกรุณาอย่าลงรถเพื่อบ่ให้เป็นผลกระทบต่อการเดินทางของท่านขอขอบใจที่ท่านให้ความร่วมมือพวกเขาใกล้จะถึงสถานีบางเวียง
女士们、先生们，万荣站就要到了，请您提前到本车厢运行方向前端车门等候下车。运行方向后端车门，请留给上车的旅客。由于列车停车时间很短，未到站的旅客请不要下车走动，以免耽误您的旅行。谢谢您的合作。万荣站就要到了。We are now arriving at Luang Station. Please go to the front door in the running direction of your coach in advance to wait for getting off, and leave the rear door to passengers who are going to board the car.
We made it to Luang Prabang. We went to this town here. It took about 2 hours. The train goes about 165 kilometers an hour. And we're about to disembark here, and we'll get on our mission to Luang Prabang. Stay tuned. And we just got off here in Luang Prabang. We're disembarking. Let's go check out this town, guys. Stay tuned. Luang Prabang, taking you places.